A group of frogs were journeying through the dense, shadowy woods when suddenly two of them tumbled into a deep, dark pit. The fall was brutal, and when the other frogs peered over the edge, they gasped at the depth. "There's no way out," they cried, their voices filled with hopelessness. "You're as good as dead." But the two frogs in the pit, covered in dirt and bruises, didn't listen. With sheer determination in their eyes, they began leaping with every ounce of strength they had. Again and again they tried, their tiny legs trembling from the effort. But from above, the chorus of voices grew louder, their words sharper. "Why even try? You're doomed. Just give up." One of the frogs, worn out and defeated, started to believe the cruel voices. The weight of their words settled into his heart, and with one last sigh, he stopped trying. His body fell limp, and he died. But the other frog refused to stop. His body ached, his muscles screamed in pain, but he jumped and jumped, harder each time. The other frogs yelled even more, urging him to surrender to the inevitable. "Why are you still fighting? Just end the misery." Despite their harsh words, the frog pushed himself further, his eyes filled with fierce determination. He leaped with all his might and finally, miraculously, made it out of the pit. Panting and exhausted, he stood before the group, who stared at him in shock. One of the frogs stepped forward, bewildered. "Didn't you hear us? We told you to stop. We told you it was hopeless." The frog looked at them, confused but smiling. "Oh, I'm deaf," he said softly. "I thought you were cheering me on the whole time." Moral: there is immense power in the words we speak. They can either lift someone to greatness or crush their spirit. Even when someone is down, your words can be the reason they find the strength to rise again. So, choose your words with care. Speak life, encouragement, and hope. The power of words.